Hello, and welcome to your English speaking practice. I'm so glad you're here today. In this session, we're going to focus on one very useful and common word in English, about. The word about can be used in many ways. We use it to talk about topics, approximate amounts, reasons, and even feelings. Today, we'll practice 20 clear and simple sentences using about. Here's how it will work. I will say the sentence 3 times, once slowly and once at a natural speed. Then we say it together. This is a great way to improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Ready? Let's begin. Repeat after me, and let's say it together. I'm reading a book about history. I'm reading a book about history. I'm reading a book about history. She's talking about her weekend. She's talking about her weekend. She's talking about her weekend. What do you know about this place? What do you know about this place? What do you know about this place? I'm worried about the exam tomorrow. I'm worried about the exam tomorrow. I'm worried about the exam tomorrow. We learned about animals in science class. We learned about animals in science class. We learned about animals in science class. He asked about my family. He asked about my family. He asked about my family. There are about 20 students in the room. There are about 20 students in the room. There are about 20 students in the room. I'm thinking about moving to a new city. I'm thinking about moving to a new city. I'm thinking about moving to a new city. Let's talk about your goals. Let's talk about your goals. Let's talk about your goals. This movie is about friendship and trust. This movie is about friendship and trust. This movie is about friendship and trust. She asked me about the movie. She asked me about the movie. She asked me about the movie. It's all about practice. It's all about practice. It's all about practice. I read a book about animals. I read a book about animals. I read a book about animals. We're talking about tomorrow. We're talking about tomorrow. We're talking about tomorrow. I'm excited about the trip. I'm excited about the trip. I'm excited about the trip. They forgot about his birthday. They forgot about his birthday. They forgot about his birthday. Can we talk about it later? Can we talk about it later? Can we talk about it later? I learned something new about you. I learned something new about you. I learned something new about you. She's always thinking about work. She's always thinking about work. She's always thinking about work. He's not sure about the answer. He's not sure about the answer. He's not sure about the answer. Learning a new language takes time, effort, and patience. But remember this: every word you say brings you one step closer to fluency. Don't worry about being perfect. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They're part of learning. What matters most is that you keep showing up and keep trying. Speak a little every day. Listen, repeat, and believe in your progress. Even 5 or 10 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. So be proud of yourself. You're doing something amazing. Keep going, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Your English will get better step by step. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed practicing with the word about today. Remember, the more you speak, the more confident you become. So don't stop here. Keep practicing, even just a few minutes a day. If this video helped you, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English practice. You can also share it with a friend who's learning English too. Take care, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and happy learning!